Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Gold prices firmed as weaker than expected jobs data fueled hopes of the US Federal Reserve cutting rates sooner than anticipated, while investors also awaited the upcoming non-farm payrolls report for further cues on monetary policy. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq closed up, lifted by gains in tech stocks and news of a trade agreement between the US and Vietnam that helped ease concerns about an extended trade war. Nasdaq rose, boosted by Nvidia, Apple and Tesla. OnEquity, a joint stablecoin venture by asset manager DWS and banking giant Deutsche Bank, received a license from the German Federal Financial Supervisory Authority. With the license, the company plans to issue a regulated euro-pegged stablecoin.
The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The sterling dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
Investors should take note of the economic calendar over the next few days, as it brings forth a variety of high-impact and medium-importance events. These data releases may cause significant market shifts, impacting trading strategies and investor sentiment. Understanding these updates helps frame the broader market context. Reacting appropriately to economic shifts can be the difference between seizing opportunity and facing challenges.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.